So now let's see how we can work around with the info color options inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have an image, and to access the info color options you need to go around over here onto the colors menu right here, then onto info section right here. So once you go around onto the info section, you can see that histogram is an option, and it gives you the histogram options right here, just like this. So you can see the level of darkness and brightness in your image right here, just by going around and by clicking around the different options right here. You can see the red value right here, so that you can see the amount of red in the image right here. You can see the amount of green, and you can see the amount of blue as well. You can base everything off luminance, that is the brightness level, and the RGB right here as well. So this is what you can do, as you can see right here, and you can go around and sort up the values right here up until the linear space, and you can also see the entire space right here as well, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the histogram option right there. Apart from that, on the info, you get the border average as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and select white right here, I can go around onto the color and select border average right here, just like this. And I can choose around the thickness right here of the border, press OK, and then I got the average color out of all the colors sampled from the borders as the main color right here. Apart from that, you can go around over here onto color cube analysis right here, just like this, and this is what you have right here. You get the analysis of the entire image as well, just like this. If I were to go around over here onto info right here, then you can also go around and export out the histogram as a histogram file as well. So I can go around over here and say, let's say for example, sample right here. I can go around and export out the histogram around over here as I like as well, as I want. So that is what you have. So now it is taking some time right here to export it, as you can see right here, just like that. And it has been exported. So now you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto info right here, and there's something called smooth palette as well. So if I were to go around and do that, I can select the width and height and press OK, and it takes all the colors of this image and turns it into a simple smooth palette right here for color reference as well. So that is how you can work around with the info color options inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.